believe we find ourselves in a dicey economy. Jury duty is now considered a good-paying job. Motel 6 can't leave the lights on for us anymore, and my ATM recently gave me an IOU. Now, yes, I know that there are issues with busyness in our practices. We're confronted with the ever-increasing alphabet soup of dental insurance plans, and as always, there are those people who profess doomsday scenarios for dentistry. I've heard experts insist that we need to make massive, simultaneous change and take action and work on all fronts of the practice at all times. And because we need to make these enormous changes to improve the way we deliver our care. Let me ask you, when someone tells you you need to make massive, simultaneous change, how do you respond? I want us to remember kindergarten. A wondrous and simpler time in our lives. A time when we learned that if it's not fun, then we just aren't doing it right. We visited dental practice in Scottsdale, Arizona, at the specific call and request of the doctor. When I arrived, I was face to forehead with this lady sitting behind the front desk. She never looked up, but she barked out, "Sign in!" Certainly startled me. What I did is I introduced myself quietly, placed my business card in front of her. She finally looked up in the most condescending way and said, "Who are you? What are you here for? Do you know that our doctor only sees people by appointment?" Well, when I later in the visit explained this incident to the doctor, any idea what he shared with me? No. That's my wife. It's not the end. That's a good one. I did run into that not too long ago. But however, what he did say, he said, "Well, I know sometimes she has a bad day, but generally her behavior's pretty positive." Well, what's the matter with that guy? How could he allow that kind of behavior? I just believe oftentimes we allow our employees to bamboozle us. So when I asked Mrs. Arndt to help me with behavior, she quickly replied and said, "Oh, that's no problem. Listen with your ears and your eyes when someone is talking, use your good manners, and be responsible."